What is 0.07% as a fraction in simplest form? We need to rewrite. So 0.07 times percent means 1 over 100. Now multiply 0.07 divided by this 100. So look, 10 to the power 1 means 10. 10, 100, these are power of 10. To divide a decimal by power of 10, just count the number of zeros and move the decimal from right to left. So how many places? Here we have two zeros, so decimal point will move two places. One place, placeholder 0, two place. So we are getting decimal 0.0007. Now convert this decimal to fraction. We need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep the decimal, write the number you are getting. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to write 10. 1, 2, 3, 4 digit. So we have to write 410. Of course, as a multiplication, this 30 don't have any value. Look, this 7 is a prime number because it has only two factor, 1 and the digit itself. 1 times 7, 7. 2 times 3, 2 times 6, 12, which is greater. 2 times 3, 6, which is less than. So only two factor. So now 7, 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, 1. Just add 0. 0, 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 0. So since this is a prime number, we have the greatest common divisor between these two number will be 1. Okay, so we can say that this is the lowest term or reduced form.